Deep liquidity and unrivaled connectivity to the region's most exciting opportunities is what brings the world to Hong Kong's capital markets. But that's not enough. We also need to continuously enhance our market structure to make it as easy as possible to invest, trade, and manage risk. At HKEX, by working with regulators and other stakeholders to do this, our efforts have been attracting high-quality issuers and investors. Take the introduction of severe weather trading arrangements as an example. We were open to global investors on 7 days that previously would have had market shutdowns or stoppages. And the average turnover on each of those days was over 200 billion Hong Kong dollars.
我哋香港市場喺2025年表現強勁，呢項成績其實絕非偶然，而係我哋多年嚟各界持續優化市場制度、完善監管架構同埋積極推動市場改革之下嘅堅實成果。一直以嚟，我哋特區政府、證監會同埋港交所，亦都包括我哋市場嘅參與者，保持緊密合作。由我哋互聯互通計劃嘅推出同埋擴容，到我哋優化市場微結構嘅推陳出新，都令我哋香港資本市場得以穩健成長。嚟緊面對我哋全球金融格局嘅變化，我哋會繼續攜手合作，推動我哋嘅監管改革同市場創新，確保我哋香港長遠可以繼續咁樣保持國際金融中心嘅競爭力。由之前我哋落實惡劣天氣下交易無紙化，到依家我哋探索 T+1 股票結算週期，未來我哋嘅改革措施將會陸續有利。
證監會一向積極推動證券及期貨市場嘅發展，同時致力保障投資者嘅利益。無紙證券市場 USM 正係為咗進一步優化我哋香港金融基礎設施嘅重要一步。引入咗 USM 之後，投資者都可以用電子嘅方式，用自己嘅名義持有，將會更加方便同快捷。例如，投資者將來將佢股票轉讓或者存倉嘅時候，所需要嘅時間將會大幅縮短。對於發行人嚟講呢 USM 將會有助提升企業管治同埋增加投資者嘅參與度。喺券商嗰方面呢 USM 嘅實施對佢哋現行嘅運作模式唔會有太大改變，而券商將會繼續喺交易同埋結算兩個環節裏邊擔當重要嘅角色。喺業界同埋各個市場嘅持份者共同努力之下 USM 將會喺今年內實施。到時大部分嘅 IPO 將會以無紙嘅形式發行。而已經上咗市嘅股票將會逐步參與無紙化。USM 實施咗之後呢，好多程序將會進一步簡化同埋自動化，大大提升整體效率。香港金融市場嘅基礎設施亦都會進一步提升，為未來我哋實施更多優化措施奠定基礎。
無紙證券市場措施係業界攜手推動香港金融生態圈現代化嘅一個好例子。除此之外，我哋亦會繼續同監管機構同埋市場參與者緊密合作。推行簡化證券市場每手買賣單位嘅框架，積極探討優化香港結算週期等一系列嘅市場優化措施。我哋相信呢啲措施能夠確保香港金融市場嘅靈活性、競爭力同韌性，為我哋帶嚟更加廣闊嘅發展前景。